It's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. I'm going to do a Southern classic again. Southern classic. I'm going to do country fried steak or chicken fried steak. A little confusing because it's not chicken, it's beef. It's beef steak, it's cube steak. And the reason why they call it chicken fried steak is because it looks like fried chicken. Anyway, this dish is all about flavor. Chicken fried steak in a creamy gravy. So first, like I said, flavor. So what I did was I cooked some bacon because I want to use the bacon grease for the gravy. So what I did was cold pan, add the bacon, render that fat out, get it nice and hot, get the bacon nice and crispy, put it to one side, use it for some sandwiches, beautiful, BLTs, whatever. And then pour the gravy in a bowl and put it to one side and save it for that gravy because it's going to taste absolutely amazing. Right, let's crack on. It's a simple dish and I'm going to show you how delicious and easy it is. And from a protein, I'll be using cube steak. It's the traditional cut for chicken fried steak. It's from the top round. So it's been tenderized and it looks like it's been through an edge and back. And if it does, you're good. But you can be a little fancy, get some ribeyes, thinly slice it, use a meat bat, tender it out. But this is the way to go, cube steak. Right, I'm gonna grab my bowl. This kitchen just smells of bacon, it smells amazing. I'm gonna add my beef to the bowl, some buttermilk, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some white pepper, and this will just tenderize it even more and add fantastic flavor to the beef. So I'm gonna add my steak to the bowl. Nice. If you haven't got buttermilk, you can just use plain milk, but buttermilk's the way to go. So add your buttermilk straight in. This is gonna be amazing. Next, add garlic powder, plenty of that. Onion powder and white pepper. Or you can use black pepper, but I like white pepper. And I'm gonna put a little bit of thyme in here. It's like a little bit. I think that'd be a good addition. Now stir it with your hands, gently. Just smells good. That's just going to create some fantastic flavor. And like I said, it's going to tenderize the meat even more. You can't beat buttermilk, especially doing fried stuff. Soak this for a good 20 minutes, 30 minutes, room temperature, put it to the side, or you can put it in the fridge overnight. I'm just going to soak this for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, we'll see. But I can't wait. So for my flour, I'm using just a hotel pan, or you can just use a bowl. All-purpose flour, straight in. Some beautiful smoked paprika, some garlic powder, onion powder, and plenty of salt. And then with your hands, just give it a good old mix. To fry your steaks, you want your temperature around about 350. We're not going to deep fry them, we're going to shallow fry them. I want about 1 inch of oil in my pan. Get a deep rim pan and it should be good to go. So I'm going to get my steaks in. Right, I think I'm there. I think I'm ready. My steaks have soaked. I've got my seasoned flour. My oil's getting hot. Let's do some frying. Kitchen smelling amazing. I love the smell of fried steak. It's amazing. Cook these in batches. These are done. These are crispy. These are gorgeous. And yeah, cook them in batches. If you don't, the oil's going to get cool, and your breading's going to get soggy. And it's not going to be very good. Can you hear how crispy these are? Look, crispy as anything. I've put my steaks on a rack and I've created like a hot box. Low temperature, and this will keep them nice and warm. Won't make them soggy, it'll keep them crispy still while I do the gravy. I don't want this oil. Remember that bacon fat I did at the start? That's what I want. So for my gravy, that beautiful bacon fat. straight in. Once your oil is hot, add your flour. And you want to cook this out for about a good 5 minutes. Now add your milk, small amounts at a time. And whisk. That's what I want. Look at that, that's beautiful. So now at the end, plenty of black pepper. Salt. Right, my gravy's done. Now the exciting part. The plate up. I'm going to serve it with some nice creamy mashed potato, that creamy gravy, this beauty. It's going to be good. It looks amazing, my mouth watering. I've just got to tuck in, I'm dying to tuck in. Let's just have a, oh yes. Oh man, that breading is so good. You've got to serve it with some mashed potatoes, you've just got to. The texture's amazing. That gravy's so creamy and nice. Give this a go, it's absolutely delicious. So simple to make. Got to serve it with some mashed potatoes. Not bad for a Yorkshire boy, eh? Thanks guys.